Today is the day that Maha Virupa attended realization. And so when he was the prince of a king, and his father's name is called the Golden Wheel, and he himself is called the Prince Silver Wheel. And then from a very young age that he had the inclination to follow the spiritual path. And he was born in the eastern part of India, and then he traveled to the central part in Nalanda monastery, and where he renounced, became monk, and then also received the teachings, studied for many years, and eventually he became the abbot of the Nalanda monastery. And during the daytime, he was doing studying, teaching, debating, and so on. But at the night time, he was practicing the Shri Chakra Samvara for many years. But he did not obtain any significant signs. Instead, there are many inauspicious signs. So he thought that now I don't have the karmic connection to practice the Vajrayana path. So he discontinued and he threw his mala into the toilet. And then on that night, the Vajrayana in the ordinary lady's form, blue lady's form, appeared and said, "What you did was very wrong, and you should take back your mala and wash it with the scented water and continue practice the Vajrayana path, and I am your karmic linked deity." So it was on this very day that Vajrayana accepted him as her direct disciple. And so today is the day that he got this. And then every night he got another bhumi. Eventually after the sixth bhumi he got the realization. So it is very auspicious, and he was not only very learned because he was known as the great chariot, but also great realization that he reversed the river Ganges and many other miracles. Through the miracles also that he subdued many heretics. And he has two main, as a Mahasiddha, he had two main disciples. One is Krishnapa and one is Dhammarupa. Dhammarupa has Tantra explanation in it, and Krishnapa got the fifth instruction. So that his most important teaching is the Lamde teaching, which is the fifth instruction. He got directly from Vajrayana. So on this very auspicious day that we all practice Maha Guru Yoga, practice Guru Puja, so everyone with diligence, with the devotion that we should follow the Guru's path.
Lasso, Chinda took betari Nanimo, Tene, Jamgo Comantichin Dojition Choda, and Tinze Shiniba Konabota, Concorda Java New York Transitional Pebble, Tatarinta Nistani Chagi, Chinda Tubake, and the Tarin Kon number 2, and the Minnesota to Sene, Newark and Namtala, then the Shune Pepsimba Reshuai, and Conke Tanda Sembate, and a Bereba Pake, Namtar Sembare, Chanabake, the Tolisharochi, and the Taring Yentonte, Tagaranzam Shagi, and a Tamala. Jason James, and it took the chat as delay you lasso.